Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarencenyc reacts to Deshae Frost versus Cinco boxing. Let's get into it.
Let's tune in. Let's tune in, gang. Alright. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Wait, hold on. Why did they even box? Why are they boxing? Is it because of the other video? So they was dead ass. Alright, niggas getting tight with me now. Oh, hold on. Let me put on my... So the quality come out, you know? Let's lock in. Let's lock in.
Wow, I can't believe they boxing.
All right.
Give him the link for the Prime sub.
Fighters in the ring
I'll give it.
now.
Click that link, gang.
And let's get ready to
Javina, click that link right there.
All right.
Okay.
In the red corner.
I think your DDG got the destroyers on. I was thinking about getting these shits right here, but they a lot. I tried them bitches on. Them shits is a lot. They look crazy as hell. Like I don't know how to. You gotta wear bigger pants with those.
In the red corner, we have.
Damn, Aries!
Wait.
This nigga got the G7X right here.
In the red corner. In the red corner, we have.
This shit low as hell. This is not me right here. I'm not gonna lie. This is not me right here. This is a low ass video, gang.
In the blue corner, we have standing at 5'2", Cinco. Artists, please come to the middle. I want a clean fight. I want a clean fight. I want you guys to respect each other in this ring, you know. Outside of this ring, we are still all family, okay? But we must settle our differences in way.
Niggas really about to fight. This is crazy.
You guys have fun, do your thing, punch on each other, shake hands afterwards. Can we do that? Shake hands in the middle.
That's what I'm saying. Niggas told me not to watch Deshae's point of view. Niggas told me to watch this one. This shit type low.
Nice and loose. Use that jab, pump that jab, sit behind it, and use the distance. You got a better reach. Have fun. Have fun. Where you go?
All right, you guys ready in the ring?
That ass. Which one? Because this one's like...
I got Jay. I know Deshae hungry, but I don't know. Jay got a little bit of little anger inside of him. I think he got to get that out.
Box.
That jab.
They said Cinco's better quality. Oh.
That jab. Back to the jab. Oh, nice. More jab.
That left up higher. That left up higher.
Oh my God.
That was pretty good, Deshae. Jay, I expected, but Deshae, that was a good one. He got him real good.
What the fuck is going on here?
Right.
Whoa.
Box.
Yo, can y'all hear this shit? Because I could barely hear it. I'm not gonna lie. I could barely hear this shit. So I know y'all can't hear this shit. It's good? Nah. Alright, yeah, it's about to fight. I'm not gonna lie, it's really about to fight. But bro, what the fuck just happened here, yo? Right here is vicious right here.
Nice. More jab.
That left up higher. That left up higher.
Keep the guard up.
Okay.
That movement. Stop the overhand.
Sir.
Hand movement. Use the hand movement. Body.
Yeah.
God damn.
Go back.
These niggas seem like they weren't cool just a minute ago.
Going under with that right next to the chin.
Yep.
He goes down. Uppercut. He goes over.
Deshae going too crazy.
Yep.
That's how you get knocked out.
Yeah.
Like if Cinco slip one of these and just fucking.
Going under with that right next to the chin.
Yep.
He goes down. Uppercut.
If all you gotta do is slip this right here, Deshae's done, bro. Deshae's done. If he slips that,
On your own side, yeah. All right. Box.
Good parry. Behind that jab.
I take it back. I think Deshae got the anger. And Jay need to guard his face better.
Yeah. Shush me with it. Shush me. All right, good uppercut. Stay on.
I'm good.
Stay on. On the jab. Boy, good cross. Good.
Cinco stunned him right there. Jay.
Stay on. On the jab.
Yo, niggas want me to go to I'm going to Deshae video, bro. Y'all are blowing mine. Y'all niggas is blowing mine.
Alright, y'all. Today is the day. I'm gonna be boxing Justin.
Mine's
today,
plays. Thank you for the sub, my boy.
30 minutes or something.
Appreciate
I just want to just make a cool little thing. First, I want to give a big props. I want to start this video out saying, Justin, for you to get in this ring, bro, a couple days, my respect was probably different than what it is now. And I definitely respect you way more, bro. You definitely coming in here to even get in the ring, and for you to come at me with boxing just shows a lot of heart and a lot of love that you got for my sister, bro. And no matter what happens, bro, I'm gonna shake your hand. And this respect shows that, bro. Like
I'll skip the
I
fight.
see that you really fine for my sister, and I see.
Hold on, I gotta see this.
I'm not giving away any plans. No game plans right now. I'm not giving you
I gotta
nothing.
see this though.
You get nothing from me.
What the fuck was Deshae just doing?
Yeah, nothing. I was
B-roll.
Yeah.
nice to like.
Yo, bro, is this nigga about to fight? Yo, bro, what the fuck, bro? Is this nigga about to fight Gervonta Davis?
How long we at?
We had 4 minutes.
Hey, for A set. Hey.
Takeover.
You gotta live for 30 seconds. That's it, man. Come on, man. Come on, give me some more, bro. Come on,
You said Cinco called Deshae out? All this shit goes away once you go in the ring.
Let me know
Yeah,
how am I
tired.
supposed to win this bitch? You the fucking boxer since you straight wins
I just tell you the way I whipped your ass. So basically, what you gotta do
That's
is
so disrespectful.
you short, bro.
DDG, his petty fan for that one. He say, "This is what I did to you."
You know what I'm saying? So you need to get down low and come back up. You know what I'm saying? Hit him one of these. Blind him. Come down here.
blind.
Sleep and shit. That blind jab. But after you put him to sleep, you gotta hurry up and go upload it.
No, deadass. You're not gonna see me. Bro, as soon as the third round, bing, bro, I see y'all niggas
That's what I'm saying, because as soon as you punch him, I'm...
What about 20 shit with? Damn. I knock Rich off.
Ah, damn, let me get that. What you talking about?
Get what? I mean, you bet.
All right, who y'all think gonna win?
Do not punch lower than this line, okay? You may
Hold
not
it up,
hold
hold
the
it
guy
up.
and hit him. But if a guy's holding you,
Y'all
you
probably
are
seen it
allowed to
already
hit
though.
him,
I'm
okay?
not gonna lie, y'all
Don't
gonna
hit each
cheat.
other in the back of the heads.
Y'all niggas
all right?
is cheaters.
Don't hit each other low, obviously. And if you hear me say stop, stop, and do not punch and wait for my next instruction, okay?
All right, make sure somebody have my water with me.
Okay, got jeans shorts.
Let's do my announcement first. Yeah,
The bell has a 30-second warning, so 30 seconds before the round is over, you're
Yeah,
gonna
I
hear
haven't
a
watched
bell.
this
That
shit
doesn't mean
either,
the round
gang.
is over though, okay? Right.
I think
Y'all gonna pick corners or y'all
Damn.
gonna right here? Hey, where's your chair, bro? Y'all gonna stay in the
Jay
white.
Cinco kind of taller, but I think Deshae is a little stronger and more experienced. I'm gonna go with Deshae.
All right.
I'm gonna go with Deshae.
We got two fighters in the ring right now.
Official Chris
And
Good looking
let's
for the
get
gifted.
ready to rumble.
and the sub. Appreciate you, gang.
What are you doing? All right. In the red corner, we have.
Yeah, his hair impressor. Right?
Wait.
This nigga got the G7X right here.
In the red corner. In the red corner, we have standing at 4'3".
All right, bro.
Deshae Frost.
Yeah, text to speech should be on. Should be.
In the blue corner, we have standing at 5'2". Cinco. Artists, please come to the middle.
The shit I seen Deshae hit Jay Cinco is crazy, gang. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you know what? I think that it looks like, I don't know if Jay was just going off his natural fighting ability and Deshae actually had a trainer. I don't know, but we're gonna see. I think Jay gonna come back, but he better watch his face.
Alicia, thank you for the gifted. Appreciate you, gang. Let me update the sub joint.
I want a clean fight. I want you guys to respect each other in this ring, you know. Outside of this ring, we are still all family, okay? But we must settle our differences in the ring. Now, I want you guys to have fun.
Javina, thank you for the sub.
Punch on each other. Shake
my
hands
voice just went out.
afterwards.
The
Can we do
sub's
that?
Crazy.
Have hands in the middle.
Young Post with the gifted.
What are your corners?
Y'all going crazy. Niggas about to run a train here.
All right, you guys ready in the ring?
Yep.
All right, bud. Hands up the whole time while you jab. Hands up. Box.
That jab. All right. Shoot me with it.
Jay Cinco got a little shit with him though.
Nice.
He got a little shit with him.
More jab. Let's step across.
That left up high.
Keep the guard up. Head movement. That was the overhand.
That left up high.
Head movement. Use the head movement. Bob it. Go back to the jab.
Tanisi, appreciate you, gang, for the gifted. Oh yeah, we hype train time. Too thirsty. The shade's a little too thirsty right now.
On your own side. Yeah. All right.
Serve just a little.
Box.
Good parry. Get behind that jab again. Pop it. Shush me with it. Shush me. All right, good uppercut. Stay on him.
I'm good.
Stay on him. Pump the jab. Boy, go to cross. There you go. Guard up.
God damn, but that's like not really that. This kid just went. Nah, but he caught him all those times though. He got a block.
Pop it. Shush me with it. All right, good uppercut. Stay on him.
That was a great one.
Stay on him. Pump the jab.
Yeah, Deshae strong as hell.
There you go.
Look, right here. Boom.
Guard up.
Niggas is going like.
Reset.
Wait for those moments, Steve. You're doing great.
It's better than I thought it was gonna be.
You're uppercuts, baby. He's coming in the uppercuts, baby. Look, he's tired. You're not tired. Pump the jab. Look for the right hand, though. Look for the right hand. Yeah, stay like that.
Hey, right hand higher, shoot in there.
Pump.
That's what I I think gonna happen. I think they're gonna get tired. So it's whoever got the best endurance.
Oh my God, Pam. Pam with the 5 gifted. Appreciate you, gang. Thank you, Pam.
30 seconds to go, guys.
It's my girl Pam right there. She go crazy. She a stepper. Stepper for sure.
Keep that two guard up when he comes in.
Lay down on that girl. Lay down on that mouth, girl. Lay down.
Oh, good uppercut. Guard up. Nice. Nicely done.
What does Deshae have against him?
Jab. Uppercut.
Going under, put him
All
up.
right.
Stop at the next bell.
Keep your chin down. Go ahead. Leave the shoulder. Keep the chin down. Keep coming in.
Time.
Good work. Come back in.
Hey, you see that left hand coming down, bro?
Yeah.
His left hand keep coming down.
Hey, put
That round right there, I think Deshae won that. Am I bugging? I think Deshae won that.
See that left hand keep coming down. That's your moment right there, too. You need to pop in there and fucking hit him with your
You're
hands
going
down.
under because he is uppercutting. Yeah. So instead of trying to go under,
Nay.
you need to be.
Appreciate you, gang.
That's your best move. Pivot around. Don't try to go under.
Appreciate you for the gift.
Pivot around him and then come across that shit.
Oh, y'all starting early.
Yeah.
Watch his left hand.
All right, guys, seconds out.
Power-wise, you're king. Yeah. So you just need to not get touched or you're going to lose all things. Right. Yeah.
Show you breathing.
Almost it.
Better right now.
W
Watch
train.
his left hand come down. He's doing it because of the swagger. That's what I told you the other day. He's doing it because of swagger. When his left hand comes down.
Your contact is hurting everything. Come on, hands up. Under both
I
hands up.
bet you them punches is hurting.
Good footwork. Keep your chin down.
Left on the eyebrow. Keep it left on the eyebrow.
See, it's down. It's down.
Hey, down. Good. Circle out. There you go. We have one, two. Yes. Come on.
When your hands up, they don't do nothing. They don't do nothing.
Nay. Nay with another 5 gifted. Go crazy then, girl.
Wait for it to come down. It's down.
Catch those shits. Hit his ass.
Keep taking your time. Set it up. You good. He's tired. Good job.
We do love trains over here.
Counter lead up. Paint the job. Paint it.
Tired right now. He was tired.
Paint it.
His left is dropping. Hit him over the top.
He's resting.
Hit his side. Hit him over the top.
Let him rest. There you go. Give him another one. Paint it. Good feint.
Cinco's bleeding.
That's gonna be it. Hit him over the top with that. He didn't hit you.
I think he is bleeding. I think he breathing real hard too. So come on, Jay.
Just that guard up. Just circle out.
Keep your hands up. You see, you can't hit.
Oh, he gonna get duck and go ahead. You already know what he's gonna do.
Keep your hands up.
30 seconds, guys.
You gonna see that? There you go.
Watch your heads.
Easy break. There you go. Get him over.
If you're going in there, go in there, both of them up.
15 seconds. He trying to around. All you gonna do is haymaker. That's what you gonna do. Jab. Let's go.
You let him rest too. Deshae let him rest.
He ain't got no more.
You gotta go in there, bro. Get it? Y'all know he tired too though.
Circle out.
Body.
Stop at the next bell.
It's still going. 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 Time.
Click the Prime sub right here. Follow this link right here, gang.
What they hitting? No. So why not
Prime sub right there.
absorb them shits and then go back?
And you caught it. You see when his hand came down, you missed it by half a second, D. You saw that? You almost had a straight contact with his face. It would have been a rock to his dome piece. Same thing. Look at the pattern on his left hand. Pattern on his left hand.
Yeah, I was gonna say don't drink too much, but I'm telling you, you've seen it. He has no fucking power. Yeah. You box me and Aries in game up. He has no fucking power. Yeah. Stop trying to. Oh, let's maneuver. No, fuck that. Okay, bang. Yeah. Hit his ass. Take them and then hit his ass.
Okay, W coach. W coach.
It's timed. It keeps going. One.
This is his coach too?
When he's moving. One. If you get the pattern on this one here.
Anybody in Jay corner? Dang, cause he gonna get coached to beating the mess out of Jay.
There's a menace over there.
Yeah. When he does his
I thought he was about to punch me.
You're doing like this. Go straight.
All right, that bell's gonna ring.
Let's get it. Breathe.
Last round,
Yeah,
guys.
Deshae keep trying to hit him with that overhand.
Yeah, touch
That
left.
overhand, if he connect that, he's
All
gonna
right,
fuck
last
around
round.
and knock him out.
Box.
No funny shit.
Good fight. Good fight.
There's the pattern.
See, back that shit.
Rush in there.
Circle out. Don't sit there. There you go. Circle out. Guard up. Good round. That was you.
Okay, yeah, get activated then.
Hands up high.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
See that overhand? He trying to catch that nigga with the overhand.
Nothing magic. Just
I love it. You're exploiting that left side.
All because of this is all over a system. Don't play with niggas' sisters.
Hands up high.
Or girlfriends, because that's his girlfriend too. That's why it's like, it's very tricky. Very tricky right here. Where is Brooklyn? Brooklyn should be here if anything.
Right. Sis, where you at, girl?
Dad, Deshae Fenty. Appreciate you. Sub with the prom, gang. You know we love the proms over here. We love the proms.
Jab. We'll let him rest. He's resting. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, see?
Nah, he's tired. Deshae's tired right there. That ain't had no power.
Exploit that.
When you get him on that rope.
Uppercut. There you go.
Get your hands first.
Go back to your jab. Right there. Keep shooting. Hit that stomach.
You know what's funny though? Every punch this nigga's throwing, that shit probably feels like, you know how your energy just go down when you get hit and like,
Keep him in the body. There you go.
Keep your feet spaced.
like Super Smash Bros or something.
Jay keeping his face open too much. Your face is wide open, bruh.
You tie, he ties.
Wendy.
Give him some thanks. There you go, Russ.
Well, he's winded too. They both winded.
That's it.
Guard up.
Seen that?
Yeah, you should be guard up.
Can't get 30 seconds.
Just keep him guard stuff. Keep him guard stuff. Last 30 seconds.
This is the last 30.
Extra million views.
It's on camera.
Run up. Let's go.
Bro, DDG's in the back like, bro, you better knock this nigga out. Extra million views. Y'all don't hear this nigga in the back, bro?
Hands up high. Hands
up high. Only 1, 2.
That's it.
Yeah,
Hands up high.
yeah.
Circle out. That's nothing magic. Just
I love it. You're exploiting that left.
Only on 1, 2.
There's a hands up high.
Hands up high. You going under. Hands up high. Hands up high.
Okay.
If you sprinting in there, make that happen.
You about to shoot the right. You already know you about to jab right. Banks, jab. We'll let him rest. He's resting. Let's go. Let's go.
Do they have two different coaches or Jay Cinco don't got a coach?
Yeah, there you go.
Don't push him.
Exploit that.
When you get him on that rope.
Uppercut. There you go.
Get your hands first.
Go back to your jab. Right there.
Alicia with the 10 gifted. 10 gifted. Boogie with the sub. Let's.
Jay should have trained better, and he should have got him a coach, because Deshae looking real good with this whole thing.
Fucking go, gang. I gotta stop cursing so much, man. Just because of YouTube, but good shit, gang.
Keep your feet spaced.
Appreciate you, Alicia.
Don't let him get that close to you.
You tie, he ties.
Alicia's not her name? Alicia. Alicia.
That's it. Seen that?
Yo, the names is crazy though, gang. A Leech. How you say the name, Mo? Big Salvation for sure. How you say the name, gang? I hate niggas. Niggas said Alicia's crazy. I do pretty good with the names. I be trying, gang. Alicia. Alice? Aaliyah Shay. Aaliyah. Alicia. Aaliyah. So say Aaliyah.
Be funny, but Clarence is so funny. He cannot get her name right. Just call her sweetheart or baby or something, because you just messing her name up, bro.
Oh, why y'all put a CH right there? Aaliyah. Good looking, Aaliyah, for the 10 gifted. My fault for butchering your name, Mo. My fault, gang.
Can't get 30 seconds.
Just keep him guard stuff. Last 30 seconds.
This is the last 30.
Extra million views.
It's on camera.
Run up.
Like extra million views.
Run up, circle out. Good.
Put your hands back up.
If we on that 18 seconds out in the round. I need you to win this round.
Do you see this? Cross. Body.
Get on him.
If he gets on his now, body.
1, 2. You owe me.
Exploit that left.
You owe me. 1, 2. Come on.
Time.
How many rounds are they going, Mo?
Give me some water.
Oh, it's over. Oh yeah, Deshae definitely had more like hits. Like,
Hey, T.O. see me. Oh, I got you. Fuck weight class. I want T.O. Hey, Jaden, where you at? Fuck weight class. Hey, Eric.
Good job, Deshae.
What you want to do?
Huh?
niggas just start calling out
It ain't
niggas.
close. It's not even fucking close. Anybody can realize it.
I want Skylar right now. I want Skylar right now.
Do they claim a winner or they just let them?
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. I respect you so much, bro. I really love you. I'm from God, bro. And, bro, no matter who won, I appreciate you. I really am sorry for saying that shit, bro. I was not.
Aw, that's sweet.
W friends.
Man, bro, I was childish. And nah, bro, you coming in here, I respect you more than any other nigga my sister has dealt with, and that's on my mama, bro. I swear to God, bro.
You loved him. Why the fuck did you knock him into the corner right there?
Damn, made that nigga my scared of me.
Face that way. You want to get your camera?
Are they about to
All
name
right.
the winner?
Good fight. Good fight. The winner.
Let's go! Let's go!
I mean, I was right. I guess maybe he got more technical punches or something.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Look at Deshae Corner. His coaches is mad.
Yeah. Oh shit! Look at everybody's face. Look at this shit. Yo, cause the nigga said not even close though. Like, bro, that's crazy.
Wow.
What? Nah, but look at this shit.
Damn, made that nigga my scared of me.
Look at this shaved face right here, bro. Look at his face. Bro, I know it's all right, bro. It probably, I thought Deshae won, but he didn't, bro. But that's not what I'm laughing at, bro. I'm laughing at the, bro. Look at the shaved face, bro.
All right.
Deshae thought he had it. He gave him the, it's okay. You can still be a winner.
Good fight. Good fight. The winner.
Nigga said good fight, good fight. Shut up.
Good fight. Good fight. The winner.
Let's go!
Look at this shit. Yo. Nah. You see, bro? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. He could never date my sister again.
Let's go! Good work, Cinco.
Damn. Nah, I thought that fight, but shit. Good shit.
You don't even know what to say, bro. Cause that's fake. Like, damn. I feel Deshae though. Like, Deshae don't know what to say right now, gang. Nigga said Deshae regrets everything he just said when he gave the speech. Nigga say he wants to take that back. Yo, chat is stupid, bro. Damn, that's crazy, bro. I thought Deshae won that though.
Good work, Cinco.
Damn.
That's crazy.
That fight, but shit. Good shit.
Look, and then he's all your mans is over here.
Fucking how? Name one? How? Hey.
Look, no one knows what to say.
It was a good fight.
That's wild. That's fucking wild. That's wild as shit. That's fucking wild.
I'm gonna be I'm gonna be.
If you talk about
me being
powers,
honest,
landed
I couldn't
shots?
tell. Me being honest,
Fuck
I didn't
out
know.
here.
Just
I
being
seen
straight
that
up,
clearly.
I couldn't tell.
It was a good fight, but I thought Deshae landed more shots. Yeah, Cinco was catching him though, but
The one time he touched Matt was a fucking slip. You can call it what you want. That's a slip. That don't count. That can't go against points.
Ain't talking about that.
And
Ain't
any
even
shot
talking
that
about
was
the
really
slip.
landed? Fuck
I
no.
ain't gonna lie, I thought it was a draw. It was a great
I think, yeah, I'll say that. I think it was draw. I want to say he won. Hey, man, they say Justin won. I don't know, but I think he's a great fighter, bro. I respect it. You know, we're going to do this shit. We're going to go on with the next video.
nah, facts. Yeah. Technique, I'm not gonna lie. Cinco got way better technique. For sure. Like, he looked like he got, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, he was landing them shits, but I thought, yo, so that wasn't a knockdown? Chat, perfect work. Thanks for the sub, man, with the prime too. Appreciate you, gang. That's what I'm saying. I know I'm not bugging, bro. That wasn't a knockdown. This not a knockdown right here. And I don't think Deshae got knocked down. Maybe I'm bugging. Maybe he didn't get knocked down. Could be bugging. Right here.
That jab, go back that jab. Nice. More jabs. Let's set the cross.
Right here, chat. Right here. Oh, nah, it wasn't. He didn't get knocked down. That's just a shot. Yeah, that's a... He didn't get knocked down.
Keep the guard up.
Wow, so that... Wow, that changes it, gang. I'm not gonna lie, that changes it. Because I thought he got knocked down.
More jabs. Let's set the cross.
And he pushed him. I'm not gonna lie, he did.
I think if the thing wasn't there, if he wasn't that close to the edge of the ring, he'd have fell.
He pushed him.
More jabs. Let's set the cross.
He pushed him.
Hey, man. They say Justin won. I don't know, but I know he's a great fighter, bro. I respect it. You know, we're gonna do this shit. We're gonna go on with the next video. Yeah, let's go.
Hang on. Down right there. You called me because I was leaning back like this. You called me?
I gotta get up. Bro, I think I won that fight, but shit, you know, Justin.
Nah.
We don't let Justin get over.
If we talking power,
I'm not gonna lie. If I had to choose anybody to win a fight, it'd probably be because you,
Yeah. He did. If you're talking power punches, Deshae got it.
I know, nigga.
The fucking
Boxing's not about power
Who the
punches.
fuck? Why nobody say them 16 so heavy, bro?
Huh?
Them 16s is heavy.
Yeah, heavy as fuck.
It's like you fucking, bro. I train with 12 ounces.
I thought he knocked him out. I thought he knocked him down. He didn't though.
All right. Like, comment, subscribe.
As God's official.